Welcome. In today's video, we're going to show you how to add fun and creative effects to your Facebook story using your Android device. Adding effects can give your story that extra pop and make it more engaging for your friends. Let's get into it. Step 1. First, open the Facebook app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can start creating your story. Step 2. Once you're logged in, tap on Create Story at the top left of your screen. This will open up the story creation page. Step 3. Now, select the photo or video you want to add to your story. You can either choose a photo from your gallery or take a new one using your camera. Step 4. After selecting your photo or video, look at the top right corner of the screen and tap on the effect icon. This is where you can start customizing your story with some cool effects. Step 5. Once you tap the effect icon, you'll see a variety of effects you can choose from. Browse through the options and pick the one that best fits the mood or vibe of your story. Step 6. After selecting your effect, tap Share to post your story with the new effect added. Your friends will be able to see the effect in action when they view your story. And that's it. You've successfully added an effect to your Facebook story. This is a great way to make your stories more eye-catching and fun. Try it out and experiment with different effects to see what works best for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tips.